Stop by and take a look at the 2017 Cadillac XT5. The Cadillac XT5 was crafted to adapt to your needs while expressing your distinctive sense of style. Visually striking and intelligently designed, this crossover outsmarts any task with progressive technology and an accommodating interior, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, compass, trip computer, driver front passenger heated seats, Sirius satellite radio, ventilated front seats, tilt steering wheel, rear seat entertainment system, front bucket seats, park assist. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.